What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to a brand new video. Welcome back to the channel. Make sure to hit the subscribe button, the like button, turn on the post notifications. Follow me on Instagram. It is cold outside, guys, and it's windy. It's got like that cold air. Anyways, we're about to go get a haircut because you guys know every single Friday we get haircuts at 9 a.m. I never missed an appointment. I told my barber, put me in your schedule every single Friday for 9 a.m. and I'll be there. And I've never missed an appointment, guys. So that's what we're about to go do right now. We're about to go get a haircut. Trying to start this daily Vlogmas for you guys. Like I said, I think Nick is trying to do it too. So we're trying to vlog every single day, guys, for 25 days straight. And hopefully we can do that. It's tough, guys. Like, we have to vlog everything. More than just the car stuff, we gotta vlog like daily lifestyle vlogs. Pretty much everything that we do in our daily lives. Like, it's actually cold, guys. It's cold air. What's up?
Vlog today?
I know. What's up?
Vlogmas?
Vlogmas, I'm trying. So it's time for cut every Friday. Barber parking only. I have one that says BMW parking only. Where'd you get this doll from? I forgot where you got this doll from. Somebody made it for you, no? Or like, that's just crazy. Look at the Trapios. Oh my. Have you tried those? The Trapios? Anyways, guys, if you guys want to cut, hit up my barber. I'm gonna drop his Instagram down below and hit him up. Let him know lifewithkg sent you if you guys trying to get that fresh cut. Hey, he's not in today, bro. He's not in today. Don't bother coming. Hey, bro. Hey. What's up, G? Alrighty, guys. So we got the fresh cut. You already know. We ready for the streets? We ready to hit the streets, G. Hop in the GTS. Let's get a cold start in. Alrighty, guys. Well, we are looking fresh. We got the fresh cut. Check that out. Shout out to the barber. And right now, we're about to go to Daniel's house. We're gonna kick it, chill with them for a little bit. The homie Nikon's gonna pull up. Nikon has that frozen white MA Grand Coupe, and he just did the intakes on that car, and I want to hear it. Hopefully I can test drive it, and we're gonna get some sound clips of that car with the intakes, because I already know that's gonna sound crazy. So we're gonna pull up to Daniel's, we're gonna kick it for a bit and see where else the vlog will take us. I'm trying to do Vlogmas, guys. I'm trying to vlog every single day. I don't know what I'm gonna be vlogging. Like I said, I have no idea, but I'm trying to do it every single day. You pick up the camera and you just vlog whatever you want to vlog. So even though we still need tires, guys, I'm out here. I gotta get them soon though, probably like next week. Stay tuned for the vlog on that. To get new tires on the M4 GTS. Like I said, I'm just gonna stick with the original ones, which what they come with are the Pilot Sport Cup 2s. I love this car. It's so much fun, guys. Even though the sound isn't the best sound, still a fun car, fast, nice. We in the GTS, my guys. At the cage. So what I'm thinking about doing, guys, let me roll out the windows real quick. I'm thinking of, I think Nick wants to wrap his car with Christmas lights. I'm thinking about doing Christmas lights on the cage. I think on the cage it'll look pretty sick if we do Christmas lights on there. And then I thought maybe like the wing or just like small stuff, not like the whole entire car. I think Nick either wants to put Christmas lights on the car or he wants to like wrap it like a gift, like a present, which is pretty dope too. But I think the lights on the cage will look pretty good. What do you guys think? What's up, Daniel?
How you doing?
Waiting for you.
Nice. Sorry, I have to wait.
I know, you had me out here for like an hour, bro.
No. I
didn't know what to do with myself.
Me.
What's good? How are you? You vlogging?
I am. But actually, I was just gonna go ahead and get my camera already, set it up and everything. But
Sheesh.
I got battery. I'm just gonna get a few things from the car.
What happened?
No, I lost a leg. I lost a leg.
Daniel, we have to vlog every single day. Do you know what that means? That means that we gotta pick up the camera and vlog literally everything that we do.
I know.
Haircut, eating out, car stuff. We need to vlog everything that we do for 25 days straight.
I know.
Nick is gonna try to attempt it too.
I just did my day 1.
Okay.
So
I know you dropped the video today.
Yeah.
Saw that.
And I dropped the video like 2 days.
Yeah,
2 days ago.
saw
too,
that.
So.
So we gotta drop one every day. I was telling him I don't know what the hell we're supposed to film, but it's gotta be every day.
Well.
Yeah, there's like 10 meets this weekend. They're all toy drives. There's like the Porsche Santa Clarita one. There's the 230 Cars and Coffee. There's the one in Placentia, California. It's like a toy drive. And then on Sunday, there's the Supercar Sunday one. There's a bunch of toy drives this weekend.
We're gonna have to go stock up on
We're gonna have to go to all of the.
Instead of taking you to Rodeo, I'm gonna take you to Target.
Yeah, low key. We need to go get toys, and we gotta hit these toy drives because there's gonna be a bunch of toy drives this whole entire month.
James and Brandon.
Damn.
So it's a CS exhaust and a comp exhaust.
For sale?
They will be pretty soon if they don't pick it up.
Sheesh. No, but you guys gotta subscribe to Daniel's channel and check it out because he's gonna be doing a bunch of installs on his car and on other people's cars. You guys can check it out if you guys want to subscribe to his channel.
One of them was Nikon's.
Yeah, he did Nikon's M8, but I'm gonna drop his Instagram right here on the screen, and his channel link will be in the description box down below. So you guys know Nikon with the M8. He did the front mount intakes. Look at that. Sheesh. That shit hard, and it's matching the little bar in the back.
The gas feels like a jet, bro.
Does it? Can I drive it?
Yeah.
There you have it. We're gonna drive the M8, guys. M8. Oh my god. Bro, that thing sounds like a freaking jet. Oh my. Hey, dude, it sounds crazy.
Bro, just drive it, man. It's crazy.
Rich, G. Look at that, guys. So freaking clean. All right, let's go. Let's do this. All right, let's do this. KG and an M8. Rich. I don't know if you guys can hear that, but. Those things sound crazy, guys. Oh my. Comment down below if you guys can hear that shit. That shit sounds so good. Wow. Dude, the intake sounds sick. Front mount intake. Damn. That shit sounds hard. All right, let's see if we can do it again. Bro, sounds freaking beautiful, Nikon. Rolling out with the squad. Hear that? Dude, that just sounds crazy. Oh my, you caught something in your grill, G. Let me help you out real quick. What is this? What is your car eating? Oreo. Your car's eating an Oreo, G. Damn. What happened to the M8, guys? I should have gone. Look at the wheel. They got the Lime Rock wheel on there. Also, guys, I think it's time, but we need new tires. Damn. What is this shit?
This is a device I bought on Amazon. So,
What the fuck?
so when the sun hits, it doesn't ruin the...
Oh, you don't get the glare in there. No way your food got delivered on a bike. Hello.
How are you?
Good, how are you?
Yeah.
Let's close the...
Cheese, orange chicken. What's in here?
Where's your vlogging camera today?
What is this?
I didn't bring it.
Damn. The homie Chris. He finally got an exhaust. He grew up. Oh my god, bro. Bro, it sounds way better.
I know.
What's up, G? He finally manned up and he got an exhaust. It looks good. Alright guys, it is now, as you can see, it's nighttime. We're about to get the cars washed, get the GTS and the M8. Daniel is unfortunately not gonna get in a wash, but next time.
G?
Sheesh. Look at that, all soaked up. About to have the whips looking right. Oh my. Bro, your car's insane.
You're smoked out.
Oh.
I couldn't hear you.
I said go to the back.
You think I could have heard you? I was
8
doing all
times,
that.
bro.
Now you have to walk to the front.
I'm stuck.
Alright.
Look, move up.
My bad, G. You good? Later, G. Bro, he's literally right.
I swear to God, this is why you're not supposed to be out.
He's pulling up right next to us. I'll put the windows down.
Nice to see you.
Put on the vlog.
Put him on the vlog. Wait, he's right next to you. He looks mad. You see how
I know,
he's
yeah, he
holding
does
the
look
steering
mad.
wheel? No, look how he's holding the steering wheel.
I don't want to film him.
Why do you just pull up on him like that? You weird.
Imagine I put the cop light on him.
Why are you driving that car?
What car am I supposed to drive? What do you mean?
Not be driving at all.
Should be at home right now, you dumb fuck.
Like freaking get a scooter or something.
A scooter.
You know my Uber Eats bought the food today on a bicycle, Chris?
Let him borrow or
He's
let
hustling.
or use the Jeep.
He's making money.
Car,
Use the
Jeep.
Jeep.
He's
Use
making the
Jeep.
guy's making money on
Should
a
I sign
bike.
you up?
I can't even sign up for that, bro.
Why? No miles on the F80 or the Jeep.
I can't. I'm banned. I'm
You gotta
banned.
use your big ass giraffe legs.
I'm
You gotta push that shit from walking all the way to the shop.
I'm banned from all those accounts.
No way. Why?
I don't know.
You know, we thought
You're
it was
lucky
like
he
an
didn't
electric
put-
bike, Chris. He pulled up, it was a straight bike at a Big Five, bro.
Babe, when I used to
Pedaling.
do DoorDash, have we ever took the food? Have we?
Have we?
Yes or
You're
no?
a thief, too.
Look, there's a cop in front of us too.
No way. Oh yeah, there's another one over there,
Look,
guys.
he said what's up to him.
They flashed each other?
He put his hands up to him.
No way.
Yeah, he did. I want to start barking.
They're they're BFFs, G.
You gunshot it straight into the
Bro,
gate.
his window's halfway down.
I know. That's
Two of them, guys.
Hi
Look at
guys.
that.
Hi guys. Hold on, hold on.
Those fools are gonna look
That's
at you like,
crazy.
Go, bro.
Why'd you make a
I'm
left?
not making
Going
it
to a
left.
drive.
Bro, he's all the way over
I'm not
there.
risking
Oh, sheesh. We're getting that wash, that foam.
I'm like, what's popular with the kids?
I don't know. The last time I came, I got the... I don't remember if it was the Fast and the Furious, but it was a 997 GT3 RS. I don't think they have it anymore, though. All right, so this one and then one of these.
Alright, perfect.
I think should be enough. Yeah, because I don't know. They have Hot Wheels stuff too, but I don't know. I don't know if you want Hot Wheels or not. They have Hot Wheels too.
Hollywood's, I would say if you get like one of those like little packs,
Yeah.
something so cool, but otherwise.
I think the Fast and Furious one is cooler. All right, guys. So we got 2 of these. Then we got the RX-7 and we got the Murcielago. I'm gonna give Daniel this one. I'm gonna take the Murcielago. All right, guys. Secured the bag. We got the toys. Ready for them kids. Sheesh. The GTS looking hella clean, guys. Look at that. Oh my gosh, bro. That should look too fire, my guys. God damn. After that car wash, that should look super clean. Wow. And let's peep the interior real quick, because you already know we got to show you guys the interior. Everything is all nice and cleaned up, vacuumed up. We even got this little protector here on the steering wheel to protect the, the Alcantara. Damn, GTS looking stupid clean though. Y'all already know we only put Shell in the GTS. I know a lot of you guys put Chevron and other brands, but I just stick with Shell. Because that's what it says on the BMW gas cap. It recommends Shell, so I'm just sticking with what BMW is saying. All right, guys, that's it for today's video. Hope you guys did enjoy it. Make sure to hit the subscribe button, the like button, turn on the post notifications, follow me on Instagram. Hope you guys did enjoy Vlogmas Part 2, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Take care. Peace.